Come on, let's party! Do not underestimate this exercise. Okay, do this for 50 times. 50 times for the right leg and 50 times for your left leg. Woo. This is very good, guys, to develop the muscle of our legs. Woo. And also the muscle of the tan-tan. And guys, let's do it. Woo.